So if you're building a deck and you either can't or don't want to have your post, your deck post, your railing post run all the way down into the ground because of some obstacle like this, in this case, we'd be digging real close to that tree, and I just don't want to get into that root. Let me show you the best way to secure this post that makes it solid as a rock, and you don't have to go into the ground right there and bring your post all the way up through the deck. So here's what we've done, and I wish I could tell you this is my idea, but I did see it, a guy giving some instruction on YouTube. Put the post where you want it, the corner of your deck like this, secure it with a screw just to hold it in place, then come in here with another 4x4 piece, cut flush where your boards are going to fit on it. Ultimately, the best way to do it would be to have some screws that are long enough to go through here, here, and here, which would be about 9-inch screws, something like that. And also, same way here, go through here, all the way through into your ledger board, or just all the way through into this and into your ledger board. And then have 1 or 2 screws here. Best practice would be to put another one here and be able to have a long enough screw to be able to go all the way through and secure that. But these posts are as solid as a rock. Couldn't be any more solid if they were in concrete in the ground. And I tell you what, we really like this way of doing it. Again, best practice would be to use 2 screws here that go all the way through this, and deep into this, if not through it. And then 2 screws that would take 2 floor joist blockings and go through here, all the way through into or through the ledger, and same way here, go all the way through that. That would be best practice, to have long enough screws to do that. We didn't have the long enough screws, so we just secured it with 6-inch screws all the way through here and into here, all the way through here and into here. I'm telling you, this is a great way to do this. You will like it. And then once you get that done, put on your deck boards, just trim around, cut around your deck boards, make a nice, pretty clean cut, and there you go. It looks great. You can cantilever like we did this. We don't have to go down into the ground to try to make it stable and drill a hole or dig a hole that's going to hurt the tree roots. Perfect way to do this. That's going to give you the stability you want for your corner posts, but without having to go all the way into the ground. Sometimes that can be a problem, trying to line up this and that. And make sure your concrete's perfect. Make sure before it dries you get it perfect, exactly where you want it. You don't have to do that with using this technique. Again, I wish it was my technique. Wish I'd invented it, but I didn't. But it really works. So next time you're going to build a deck or some type of project like this, don't be afraid to have your posts mounted above the deck. This is a great way to do it. It's permanent, it's perfect, and it absolutely is just as sturdy and stable as if that post right there was all the way into the ground. I'll have a link below to some screws, 6-inch and longer, that will make this happen for you. Don't be afraid to not have your post mounted in the ground thinking that post is not going to be sturdy, going to be wobbly. It is not wobbly one little bit. I think you're going to like it, really do.